Okay, part 2 of this step is, again, stitching it. Stitching the rest of your zipper. If you notice, this is where my zipper pull is. It's easier to stitch with your seam guidelines over here than it is over here. So leave your presser foot the way it is. You're just going to start 2 inches down from where you originally wanted to start. So you're going to do the 1/4 again. 1/8. Okay, so which is about 2/8. Put your presser foot down. Then a stitch forward. Make sure you back stitch. And then you're going to continue following that all the way down. Okay, when you get to the end, make sure you back stitch. Lift your presser foot, pull it out. Now, notice I didn't stitch the first 2 inches. At this point, I'm going to unzip my zipper all the way in past the side that I've sewn. So it's pretty hidden far down there. Then I need to go ahead and stitch the part that I didn't stitch at first. Okay, so I'm gonna pin. I unzipped my zipper, and I'm gonna pin a couple pins to get me started. Okay. Again, line it up with the 2/8. Put your presser foot down, back stitch at the beginning. Don't stitch your pins. Now, I go a little bit over what I've already stitched so it looks like one clean line. Then I back stitch. Okay? You've done it. At this point, you want to trim all your extra threads. See? So you're going to have a back stitching there and back stitching here. Okay, so now you end up with these 2 separate loops. Okay, 2 separate fabrics, your zipper's in the middle here. This is all you're doing. I unzipped the zipper all the way in from the inside. All you're doing is flipping this kind of like a sock. Let me see if I can get a better view of this for you. You're just going to keep turning your outside fabric. And it's hard to see on the video. Okay, see, I didn't do anything to the gray. I just flipped my fabric. You got to kind of keep rotating it. Like so. Okay, so eventually it's going to start looking like more like a bag as we go. So if I had to zip my zipper up, so that's the outside of my bag. Got my zipper all zipped, and it's I can see the outside fabric all the way around. Now, top stitching on this side after you iron. Okay, remember we ironed on this side, so you have to do the same thing. You have to go and iron this side. It's going to be a little tricky, so I'm going to make a separate video for that. So at this point, you should go iron this down. Make sure it's ironed away from the zipper. The zipper does get hot, so don't burn yourself. Okay, and make sure to answer the questions after the video.